D equal to 10. I just want to shift the values, like output I want to get A equal to 6, B equal to 7, C equal to 8, and D equal to 9. Okay. So I have two options, either to use blocking assignment or to use non-blocking assignment. Let's see which assignment is working here. Okay, this is like shifting operation. Shifting operation means it is like a sequential circuit. That I am writing always at the rate A equal to 6, then B equal to A, C equal to B, D equal to C. I am doing the shifting operation. How these things happens? There are 4 shift registers, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. I am just providing some outer value 6 to A. Then I want to change A value to B, B value to C, C value to D. So I can simply write A equal to 6, then B equal to A, C equal to B, D equal to C. Okay. So same thing I have to write using non-blocking assignment. Now you will tell me in which case I will get what output step by step. Okay. So now here in the active region, what is the A value?
6.
6. Okay. So now this statement will get executed in the active region. So now in the active region, what will be B value?
6.
6. Why? Because already in the active region, A value is assigned to 6. So B is equal to 6. Now what will be C value in the active region?
6.
Why I am writing active? Because this statement will get executed in the active region. Blocking assignment. Okay. So active C equal to 6. Similarly here in the active D is equal to 6. So what I supposed to get? These values, right? But what I am getting, all the values are same. Here remember, let here A equal to 6 means it is like a 3-bit register I need. But let A, B, C, D all are 1 bit. Then here instead of 4 registers only, sorry, instead of 4 flip-flop, only 1 flip-flop will get executed. We will see in the example. Okay. So now here, okay. So here in the active region, what is the A value? Let me write this. This is my initial value. Initial value you can think like in the active region. So in the active region, what is the A value?
7.
7. See, some other students try to answer these things. Anyone? See, you can try. Even if you are saying wrong, it is not an issue, but at least try to answer. Any other student, please? Ranjan Singh Chauhan. Okay, you just tell me. Okay, in the active region, A value equal to 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get why A value is equal to 7 in the active?
Yes, ma'am.
Because already it was present. Okay.
Already initialized. Yes, ma'am.
So now A value will be equal to 6. In which region?
I'm non-blocking and B region.
Non-blocking. Okay. So in the non-blocking region, A value equal to 6. So now here B value equal to A. So in the active region, what will be B value?
8, ma'am. 8.
B value will be equal to 8. No, sorry. Why you think B value will be equal to 8? See, in the...
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, see, whatever you are saying, tell me. Okay, this is not a problem. Okay, tell me. Why you think B value equal to 8?
Ma'am, basically, B will be updated when all the RHS will be evaluated.
Correct.
So whatever
B
the value will be initialized. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. B value equal to 8 because it stores the previous value. It will get updated in the NB region. So in the NB region, what will be B value?
Ma'am, now B is equal to 6.
B value will be equal to 6. Now see, okay, here this RHS will get evaluated in the active region. So now here for B, what is the RHS value? In the active region, RHS value will be equal to what? A. Now what is the A value in the active region?
7, ma'am.
7. So in the active RHS value is equal to 7. So in the NBA region, what will be the B value?
Ma'am, now 7.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I am saying, see, B non-blocking assignment A. So now if I check in the active region, B holds the previous value because it will get updated in the NB region. The previous value equal to 8. So in the active region, B equal to 8. So now RHS get evaluated in the active region. For non-blocking assignment, RHS get evaluated in active region. So in the active region, RH is equal to A. So what is A value in the active region? A value equal to 7. So here active region RHS value is evaluated as 7. Now this RHS value will get updated in the NBA region. So in the NBA region, I will get B equal to 7. Now any other students, please try to tell me what is the C value in the active region?
9.
C value will be equal to 9. It holds the previous value. Then what is the RHS value in the active region? RH is equal to B. So what is the B value in active region? See, I have written clearly here. Active region B value equal to 8. So in the NB region, what will be B value? Sorry.
8.
RHS, na? 8. Okay. So now similarly here, in the active region, what is the D value? 10. So now in the active region, what is the RHS value?
9.
9. So in the NB region, what will be the RH D value?
9.
9. So at the end, what will I, after the end of the simulation, what will I get? A equal to 6, B equal to 7, C equal to 8, D equal to 9, right? So now here shifting operation happens properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now from this example, if someone is asking you why I should use non-blocking assignment for sequential circuit, just explain them with this example. Because if this is the shifting operation, a sequential operation, if I'm using non-blocking, I will get required result. If I'm using blocking, I will not get the required result. So you can take it as a